When I was younger, I really loved McDonald's, so my dad took me there. I grabbed onto my dad's sleeve and asked him, can I go play in the playhouse? But he just ignored me and ordered the food. So I decided to go by myself. I climbed up the stairs and went to the tunnel. But I had a strange feeling something was there. I also heard a strange noise. I started to crawl a little farther, and then I saw something. It was the shadow of a young girl. It sounded like she was crying, so I decided to touch her to see if she was okay. And then I fell down the stairs and ran quickly to my dad crying. He just told me to stop crying and to eat my food. I wanted to say something else, but I just decided to eat my food. The food was good, but I can still remember the horrifying screeching noise.